Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Ashley, the series on my channel where I show you how I cook food with a disability, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make a wrap. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let's just jump straight into how I make a wrap. So first we start by getting a wrap. And a plate. So once you have your plate and your wrap, you can begin. Now, I like to use barbecue sauce, but you can use whatever sauce you want. I like to create a cool little pattern with my sauce, but you can do literally anything. I try not to put too much on because I don't want it to be too strong. Next comes time for our ingredients. So what I like to do is have some sort of meat. Some carrot. I just have some carrot cut up in here. And then obviously some cheese as well. This is what I like to do, but again, you can do anything with your wrap. You can make it as tasty as you want. You can add literally any ingredients that you want. You can make it as professional as you want to. I just do something very simple because that's just how I prefer it. But again, you can do literally anything. I just like to put on grated carrot. This is the grated carrot that my mum did for me. But usually I use this grated carrot, so if you're looking for grated carrot in your wraps or any other sandwiches that you make, this is what I use. Like I said, I have been using grated carrot that my mum cut up for me, so that's because I ran out of this, but I got some more, so I highly recommend using these if you are making a wrap and you want some grated carrot. And last of all, we add the cheese, and then it should end up looking something a little bit like this. Now comes the tricky part when you go to fold it. Just fold it like you would folding a present. I feel like that's kind of the best way to talk about it. And then you just put it in the toasted sandwich maker and you wait for it to heat up, and there you have a delicious wrap. Here we go, the finished product, the wrap. I just have carrot, some cheese, and some meat inside of here with some barbecue sauce, but again, you can do whatever kind of wrap you want. You can get as fancy as you want. This is just what I like to do. It kind of mirrors what I get from Subway, so that's what I like to do, kind of mirror that and make a little wrap at home. But again, you can do literally anything, so now it's time for the taste test. I feel like I need to get a good bit with a bit of meat. And there you go. That is how I make a wrap at home from scratch with a disability. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you'd like to. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!